If you want to learn how to use Finviz Crypto Screener to find coins to trade, then watch this video till the end, okay? Because you're going to walk out of this video with a clear understanding and clarity on this Finviz Crypto Screener. So, very simply, this is obviously my chart. What you want to do is go on Finviz, okay? Go Finviz, search finviz.com, and then this is going to pop up right here. And when this pops up, obviously you want to go into the crypto section, right? This is not all that much based on actually using this as a whole strategy and something, but it could be a great kind of a great tool that you can actually just use to see where the cryptos are moving. Okay, you can look at them by performance. You see, we have this is with the US dollar. Okay, so we have BCH with USD. So we might as go ahead and just search BCH USDT. This is Bitcoin Cash, right? And then you can see, I mean, here it says that it's 1.23% up performance wise. And this is again, do not forget, this is on the daily chart. Now you can go weekly and you're going to see most of it it's actually down. This is with the Ethereum with the dollar. We can also check them out. So what you want to do is obviously just look at the end of the spectrums for the things that you really want to trade. Meaning, basically, because I'm this type of trader and I'm actually just a trend follower, very simple, like a kind of a scalper for crypto. What I would do is just simply, obviously, following my strategy system because the strategy that I've been following has yielded me thousands of wins only 2023. By the way, everything is documentable. The way that I would do it is if it comes into here, you can see now I'm just checking Ethereum USDT, right? Well, what are we going to see? Previously had them had some drawings here and there. Says it's down from a what perspective? Let's check it out. From a weekly perspective, down 10% or so. I mean, I would definitely say that that's the case right here. You can see the candle and how it has actually gone down so far. And looking at it from this perspective, it obviously depends. Obviously, you need to know your strategy, but for the beginners, then you can actually just go ahead and search Ethereum. And I think these that actually do not change, so this might be a little bit of a little bit of a problem. That does not mean that you cannot go ahead and trade the others, like the Bitcoin Cash with the Bitcoin, the Litecoin, right, the LTC with USDT, XRP, and all this stuff. You can just simply go ahead and check it out right here. You're going to see performance for the week, for the month, and all this stuff. You can see this is the worst performance for the day. I'll just check. I would like to check out the week, and you can see the worst performance is going to be the Ethereum. Now, if you were an Ethereum trader or scalper, you wouldn't be in with the bearish side right here. But for me, I was all still going to look at the bullish side because just because of the context of the strategy, what you want to use is pretty much these two things to align. And most of the times, this is just going to be noise. So the best thing you can do is just ignore this and just focus on solely mastering your strategy and system. But again, for any type of plus, I mean lower time performance wise, you could use the stock, the Finviz Crypto Screener. Okay, so this is my 2 cents, not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.